Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another mukbang. Back with another mukbang for you guys. Trust me, the devil's trying to keep me away, but I'm here to give y'all a video, okay baby? If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you could be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. A new video, baby. Anyways, guys, also don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Instagram and Snapchat, okay? Let me get down here real quick. Guys, I'm eating spicy noodles for y'all today. Let me try and get this thumbnail real quick. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hot, hot, hot. See all that steam coming through? Okay, I think that's good enough. Woo. Hot, hot in my tummy. Let me get this chopstick. Some people don't like seeing people use chopstick when they do this. Let me see. Let me see, baby. All right, that looks good. And I got some water to wash this down. If y'all saw my my old video when I made this, y'all already know this thing was hot. I was burning up. Right now I got my AC on. Should have turned on my fan because Jano, I'm already sweating. I'm already sweating. Let me show y'all. Let me get y'all close up on this. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, this thing, look at all this juice. Sell out. I'm using 2 packets. I think 2 is good enough. You saw my bowl, my plate look full up. Ja. I got my water, Walmart brand. Whew. Y'all, I'm scared. John no say a long time I don't have this. I was like, should I come through with a video? Because I really wasn't in the mood. But I was like, you know what? Can't let the devil win. Okay. Can't let the devil win. Whew. Jah, bless I and I. Bless this food. Bless my soul. Bless me. Bless everything. Woo. Mm. 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 Ooh. Woo. Woo. Guys, this thing good, but it's too hot. Hot, hot, hot. Here, y'all have some. Whew. Let me know in the comment if y'all had these spicy noodles before. Were they spicy enough for you? Or they weren't that spicy? Whew. Mm. Usually people are like, oh, it's the end of the week, it's Friday, turn up. No, sir. You home all week. Ain't no turning up no more. Whew. 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 Mm. Mm-mm. Whew. Whew. Oh, I got the I got the noodles from Walmart. It was like $3 something for the whole package, and 4 came in the package. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know me don't like spicy food, so ooh. This thing. Ooh. This thing depend on another level. A level where me no depend. I want to depend also. Woo. Oh. Mm. 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 Ooh. Ooh. Maybe I should have got some milk on the side. Ooh, instead of water. Hold on. Mm. Oh. Oh. I hope my belly no burn me when I'm done. Okay, no spicy thing run right through me. Mm. Guys, remember to stay positive. Don't let these negative, crazy people around you try to get you down. Don't feed into their BS, okay? You better than that. Mm. If you're having a bad day, vent to a friend. Call your homegirl, your homeboy. Let them know what's up. Play some good old music, okay? Some good music. Watch some funny videos. Watch my videos, okay, guys. Whew. Go exercise. I mean, I know they say self-quarantine, but you can still go outside and exercise. I see a lot of people out there. Don't feed into the negativity, okay? These people ain't got nothing else to do but talk mess. Yeah. Whew. Mm. 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 Oh. Oh. Guys, leave me a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're still here watching and you haven't already subscribed yet, whoo, 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 whoo. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? So my neighbor's like, what is this girl doing? What she got going on over there? Oh. Whew. 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 Mm. Mm. Whew. Guys, I went to this restaurant called Prime Time. For y'all that live in Tallahassee or around the area and whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. Man, they had a great deal going on. Free appetizer and a beer with a purchase of $12 or more. Miss said, no, sir. You can't get no deal like that nowhere. $12. You got an entree, appetizer, and a beer. Which I think is a pretty good deal. I know Chili's or somewhere does something like that, but their the appetizers usually just those chips and tomato. What do you call those? Tomato dip. What do you call that shit? What do you call that thing? Whew. Whew. Let me know. I forgot. Let me know in the comment. What do you call it? Whew. Salsa dip. Whew. Whew. Free. Whew. Honestly, if this wasn't so spicy, it would have been A1. Like, the flavors are on point. Tone down the heat a little bit. Y'all didn't just see that, right? Let's pretend like y'all didn't see that. Whew. Whew. What y'all doing what y'all doing tonight? I know everything's pretty much locked down. I know Tallahassee have a curfew of 11 p.m. to 5 p.m. I mean, 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. So, This thing does not want to stay in my mouth. Whew. Oh, bless my soul. Come on, chopstick. Some people don't like when people use chopstick in their video if they're not Chinese, but I are Rasta. I do what I want. Whew. Man, look at all this. Look at all that. Look at it. Whew. Anyways, guys, whew. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness, okay? Ooh. And guys, enjoy the rest of your Friday. Ooh, Jano. I'll catch you guys in the next video, baby. Bye. Bye, guys.